Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is Portia with Portia Fit. This is our practicing of our meditation. This morning is particularly special because right now it is just before sunrise. And sunrise in yoga philosophy is very special and very meaningful because ideally your first meditation in the morning is right before sunrise. And that's when I will be doing this today. It is the time that is known to be closest to God. So, in these early morning hours, it is the best time to do your mindfulness practices, to be able to best connect with yourself and to be able to connect with your creator at these early morning times. So, just think about people that you look up to, you um, wish maybe that you can be up at those early morning times and you just feel like I'm just too tired to wake up early and do whatever journaling or doing maybe mantras or meditating. And if you can try and get yourself up early, it's something that you'll have to experience for yourself. The why, because there's so much peace. It's quiet and there's a deep feeling of connection. In my journey with my yoga practice and with my meditation practice, I've woken up between the hours of 3 and 5:30 a.m. depending on my life and where I was at a certain time. That's the time that I would wake up, and I give myself 2 hours in the morning to just be in silence, moving around, doing what I need to do, reading, um, journaling. I used to do a lot in the morning. I stopped at some point journaling in the morning and journaled in the evening, but waking up early morning, there's nothing like practicing and connecting with yourself, this deep work, this inside work at the time when not even the sun is already up. That's the best. And also, my meditation teacher just told me recently that for me personally, waking up this early and having the sun's rays is great for me, for my mind, and for my body. Here's where we are. So consider looking at the time that the sun rises and maybe waking up 10, 15 minutes before it, and then coming to do your meditation. For right now, let's get into your meditation. Today's meditation is going to be 7 minutes. So set your stopwatch. I'll set my timer and we'll begin. Maybe taking a few deep breaths before you dive into it. Allow yourself to just melt into yourself for these next few moments. Allow yourself some movement. I like to bring heat. Make sure keeping the eyes closed. I like rubbing my arms and legs to create some friction, some warmth, stimulating those hair follicles. Do some stretches. Move the fingers, move ankles, wrists. Yawn. Remembering this is our time to bring ourselves back into the awakened state. It's time to be active and get back to doing, moving away from our practice of undoing. Let's open our eyes. How was that? Okay. I'll be back tomorrow with sunrise meditation. So if you log in, I will make sure whatever time zone you're in that you will receive this meditation before your sunrise so that we can do sunrise together. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day today. Namaste.